Hi there, welcome to Kneppy Invest and welcome to the small cap stock of the day. Happens to be a company called Matrix Composites and Engineering. Ticker code is MCE. I'd probably put this towards the top of the list of the worst named companies on the ASX, but that's what we have. Matrix Composites and Engineering, a subsea technology company. In fact, they mention here on their homepage, Matrix is a world-leading provider of advanced composite materials and engineering solutions, driving innovation across industries. So they don't even mention subsea, but if you go to their products and services, advanced materials, subsea, and corrosion protection, by far the majority of their revenue is derived through subsea. Now, for those who don't know anything about subsea, just have a look at Wikipedia. In fact, I did this. Wikipedia have a subsea technology section. So subsea technology involves fully submerged ocean equipment, operations, or applications, especially when some distance offshore in deep ocean waters or on the seabed. So it all makes sense. So we're talking about remotely operated vehicles, autonomous underwater vehicles, submarine communications, power cables, seafloor mineral mining, oil and gas, and offshore wind power. Now, this company did release a presentation, actually a couple presentations, last week on the 20th and the 21st of November. The company released two presentations. When I opened one of these up, they had their AGM on the 21st. And I thought, why not have a look at this company? I haven't really delved deeply into Matrix Composites and Engineering before, and I know nothing about what they do. So I thought, why not? Have a look. And to be honest with you, I came away quite impressed. And then I had a look at the chart. And I thought, ooh, this could be interesting right now. Now, one of the reasons why this is a stock of the day is because the company has released an announcement today, and you can see the share price up 20%. New material buoyancy contract award. Have a quick look at that particular announcement. But first, what does this company do? I've already sort of mentioned that. But if you go to the AGM, here on the third page, I think it's the third page, core traditional, subsea, emerging corrosion technologies, and advanced minerals. Now, they have something called SURF, which is subsea buoyancy, I think. So SURF, something to do with subsea buoyancy, I think. Deep water drilling and well construction, engineering or energy transition, opportunity floating and or opportunity floating offshore wind. So they deliver subsea buoyancy solutions to the world. That's what they say right here. Matrix Designs. Hi there, welcome to Kneppy Invest and welcome to the ASX small cap stock of the day. Matrix, Composites and Engineering. Ticker code for this company is MCE. I've been thinking and wanting to have this company as a stock of the day, small cap of the day, over the past. Hi there, welcome to Kneppy Invest and welcome to the ASX small cap stock of the day, Matrix, Composites and Engineering. I had a quick look at this company's presentation, AGM presentation, released on the 21st of November, and I've never had a look at this company before, and I came away a little bit impressed, and I wanted to feature this company in this particular series, but other companies popped up, and Matrix Composites came in at number 2 about 2 or 3 days in a row. And then lo and behold, on the 25th of November, the company did release an announcement, a contract award, and the share price has popped up 20%. Now, if you had to ask me what this company does, just based off what I read in their presentation, I would say this is mostly a subsea technology company. Now, on their homepage, they don't actually mention subsea. They just say they are a world-leading provider of advanced composite materials and engineering solutions, driving innovation across industries from the ocean economy to renewable energy. Our cutting-edge products and expertise refine what's possible. Now, if you have a look at their business pillars, subsea is one of them. But the majority of this company's revenue does derive from subsea. But they have two emerging pillars, advanced materials and corrosion protection, which probably is quite important on the ocean because sea or salt can be quite erosive erosive, I think that's the word. Anyway, let's have a look at the AGM presentation that triggered me, was a catalyst for me doing this video, the first catalyst. Now, this page 3 of this particular presentation, just goes into what this company does. So designs, engineers, manufactures composite advanced materials, talking about subsea buoyancy solutions, support growth of renewable energy, corrosion-resistant coatings, advanced material technologies that talk about their core traditional is subsea, emerging technologies or emerging sectors is corrosion technologies and advanced materials. Now, this is what got me more interested in this company. Financial year 24 revenue and the revenue growth over the past few years. It's gone from 17.4 million in financial year 21 up to 85 million. So some of this could have been through acquisitions, haven't delved that deeply into the company. And if the majority of that revenue growth is because of acquisitions, that would be a little bit of a red flag. But we're talking about a 5-fold increase in revenue over the past 4 years. 87% of the revenue comes through subsea buoyancy, 7% is corrosion technologies, and 6% advanced materials. But also I'd like to know the margins in each of these different pillars. Wouldn't be surprising to see much better margins in corrosion technologies and advanced materials. So if you do see a really good growth in those two pillars, that would be a good thing moving forward for this company. Now, I would say and assume that there is fairly high amount of capital expenditure this company does have each and every year, because subsea buoyancy just screams to me capital intensive, but I could be wrong. So revenue 85 million, underlying EBITDA, which was up 80%, underlying EBITDA up slightly to 11 million, underlying EBITDA margins only 12.9%. Like to see that increasing, 18% margins in the second half of financial year 24. Anyway, so a nice increase in margins during the year. Profit down a little bit from 8.7 million, but there was a one-off last year. In fact, they mentioned that. Underlying EBITDA, that's not it. Financial year 23 profit boosted by $15.8 million reversal of prior period asset impairments from uplifted market outlook, which sometimes does happen. Sometimes a company will make an impairment and then a few years later go, oh, we didn't have to make that impairment. Things are much better than we expected. So if you actually look at that, or take that into account, they would have had a profit of a loss of like 7 million. So from a loss of 7 million to a profit of 3.6 million, operating cash flow 10.9 million. But again, I suggest this company is capital intensive a little bit. So there would be a fair bit of money spent on capital expenditure. So free cash flow could be much lower than 10.9 million. And net cash of 14.4 million, which is interesting in itself. Now, I'm not sure what surf is. So subsea production, the job surf, every time they mention surf, I just think of surfing. So strong surf market penetration, really nice increase in that area over the past few years. And they're expecting further growth and another record year expected in financial year 25 for surf. They go through what surf is, go through the drilling market, talk about subsea buoyancy, and also offshore floating wind. I did like this particular bit. So offshore floating wind could be something big for this company. They also talk about corrosion technologies. Didn't have a quick look at this because it's a small portion of the company. But if this is a growth area, this could be more exciting in the future for this company. And also advanced materials. Did not even have a look at this. They talk about synthetic foam for unmanned underwater vehicles. Yeah, there you go. Australian industry sectors, including defence, which makes sense, and resources and energy transition and civil. Growth outlook looks pretty good. There's another section here. Oh, I think it was not this one. Now, it must have been another presentation I did have a look at where it just tells you what the market cap of the company is and also the enterprise value. So it must have been the investor presentation, URAS Hartley's Industrial Forum. Have a quick look at this one because that's important. What's the market cap of this company? That sort of thing. Here it is. Yeah, company overview. So ticker code MCE, share price 24 cents, which is a little bit lower than it is now, just a touch. And shares on issue 223.8 million. Market cap is 53.7 million. But don't forget, they have net cash, which means the enterprise value at a share price of 24 cents is only $39 million. So if this company does grow and they expand their margins, there might be some value in this company at these levels. Now, the last thing I did when I researched this company is had a look at the chart. And I'll be honest with you, the chart did excite me, not because the share price is in an uptrend, because the share price pulled back significantly over the last month or so to a very important support level at about 22 cents. And then lo and behold, the company released the announcement today, which was, I haven't actually shown you that, new material buoyancy contract award. Yep, so this is not the sort of announcement that would excite me all that much, but the contract is valued at approximately 21 to 23 million, and it's also in this this surf area. Subsea, oh, okay, they've got what surf means. I've been looking for it. Subsea umbilicals, risers, and flow lines. So surf is an acronym for those 4 words. Okay. Matrix has around 280 million of competitive quotations yet to be awarded, including 4 to 6 projects with a value of 80 to 140 million expected to be awarded to the successful bidder before the end of the 2024 financial year. Now, maybe if they win these particular contracts, they'll have to underbid their competitors, and that can be a negative thing, something I've realized when it comes to the construction industry. Anyway, so exciting things happening for Matrix, Composites, and Engineering. But again, let's go back to the chart. Share price pulled back to 22 cents. So I had a look and I went, oh, 22 cents is a really interesting level for this company over the past few years, because the share price went to this level back in October 2023. So about 1 year ago, and then pushed higher. In fact, the share price went from 22 cents up to almost 40 cents. And then it's pulled back again. So I thought maybe this is an opportunity to buy into this company. Now, the other thing you notice when you look at the weekly chart, share price of this company was in a horrendous downtrend, a weekly downtrend since 2011. And it's come out of that downtrend in the past year and a bit. So we just need to see the share price bounce from here, which it might be doing as we speak with this announcement released on November 25. So the chart is starting to look interesting. I just wish I, sort of took a position in this company as I was doing research last week when the share price was around about 22 to 23 cents. So I just wish I took that position. But maybe the share price will pull back a little bit and we'll have the opportunity to buy into this company. Okay, that's all I have for the ASX small cap stock of the day. Matrix, Composites, and Engineering. I wish they would come up with a better name, by the way. If you have any questions, any thoughts, leave those in the comment section of this video. Otherwise, I'm not a financial advisor. If you need financial advice, make sure you seek out someone who is qualified and can speak to your own financial needs. That's it for this video. Have a good day. Bye.